What's Inside My Head is the third annual S Factor production. If you or anyone you know has suffered from mental illness, you know that sometimes the outside doesn't really show what's on the inside.
Don't laugh at me, don't call me names, don't get your pleasure from my pain.
I'm weak. It's my fault. In this year's S Factor production, we will be showing you the stories of 5 people who are judged for the way that they look on the outside and what's going on inside them.
Stones may break my bones, but words make me starve myself to death.
Come to this year's S Factor to support Kids Help Phone and the battle against stigma.
Before we turn to stone.